The capuchin bird, scientifically known as Parasocephalus tricolor, is a unique bird of the Amazon rainforest. It measures about 14 to 15 inches long and weighs around 1 pound. This bird lives high in the tropical forest canopy of northern South America. Its most unusual behavior is its extremely loud, cow-like call, used by males to attract mates. Males gather in display groups called leks, where their calls can be heard over long distances. Let's protect this animal before it's gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wild moment.